how to use glue dots. These are great for sticking things, but they need to be used in a certain way. So let me show you. Okay then, so you see the glue dots are perforated down these lines. You just tear one of these squares off like this and peel off the backing paper. You've got the glue dot here and try not to touch that because you don't want to get dust all over it, okay? So we put that onto the surface that you want to stick it on. Push down nice and hard, okay? And then you peel the paper away. Now when you peel the paper away, resist the temptation to pull upwards. You want to go this way, and you can just do it real quick like that and it will stay in position, okay? So if I'm going to glue on a part like this one here, one glue dot's not going to be enough. So in this instance, I would do 1, 2, 3, 4 glue dots, and then I would put this into position. In fact, it goes this way, like that. And then you just push down, and that's it, they're stuck together. And you can see just from one glue dot, it's doing the job well, but you just need another 3 and that's sorted. So if you were going to do this whole car here, for this one here, I'd probably use another 4 underneath here, or on the bottom of this part, that's fine too. 4 like that, and then you've got your front component as well, another 4 on those, okay? Right then, let's move on to a more finished version and sticking on small components. So there's a couple of ways that you can do this. I'll just show you here. Okay, so I peeled off one of the squares and I'm going to put this on the back of Zoomy where I want his spoiler to go. So again, I'm going to push down hard, tear it off like this. Then I want another one next to it. And I'm going to do the same thing again over here, like so. Pull it away like that. Okay then, so then these back parts can go straight onto there. So you just push them down like that. And that one's stuck, and push them down like that, and this one's stuck. Then we could use another 2 glue dots, one there and one there, and stick on the back part like that, okay? There's one other thing I want to show you before you go, and that is these glue dots can be cut in half if you want to use them in that way, use a smaller part. So you just cut it in half like this, and then peel off the backing paper. And hopefully you can see there's just half a glue dot there. So for smaller items like this, if you don't like the glue sticking out underneath like this, you can just use half of one, okay? Finally, what you can do is when you've stuck smaller parts on, you can actually pick out the glue and rip it off as well. That works quite well too. Once you've used a few of them, you really get a hang of it as well. And you can stick anything to anything. So you can use it sticking like a plastic star on for one of our characters. You can stick the ears on for bunnies. You can stick all the base pieces on for a car. They're absolutely fantastic, totally non-toxic, and dead easy to use. Thanks for watching.